Ever wonder what makes a car safe? What features and technologies are there to protect you and your passengers on the road? Well, let's delve into the world of automobile safety. Car safety is an essential aspect that we often overlook until we are faced with a dire situation. Whether you're a new driver, an experienced one, or a fleet driver in rural areas, safety should be your topmost priority. There are many facets to car safety, from the design of the vehicle to the safety features it incorporates. The importance of car safety can't be overstated. It's not just about preventing accidents, it's about reducing the impact when they do occur. Think of the diverse types of drivers out there. Older drivers, for example, may have slower reaction times, making features like automatic emergency braking and lane keeping assist invaluable. Younger or less experienced drivers, on the other hand, might benefit from technologies like anti-lock braking systems and electronic stability control, which help maintain control in challenging driving conditions. Tradies and fleet drivers in rural areas face their own unique challenges. Long hours on the road, often in remote areas, mean that safety features like fatigue detection and advanced GPS systems can make a significant difference. But how do we know which cars are the safest? This is where safety ratings come into play. These ratings, such as those provided by ANCAP, give us a clear picture of how well a car can protect its occupants. They test everything from crashworthiness to safety assist technologies, giving each car a star rating. Staying updated on these safety ratings is crucial when choosing a vehicle. They offer a quick and easy way to assess a car's safety level. And remember, these ratings are constantly updated as new models are released and technology improves. So whether you're a car enthusiast or a casual driver, understanding car safety is essential. And if you have any questions about vehicle safety, there are experts out there ready to answer them. Remember, safety is not just a feature, it's a necessity. Car safety has come a long way from the basic seat belts, but how did we get here? Let's take a journey back in time. The first significant leap in car safety technology was the introduction of seat belts. Believe it or not, these life-saving strips of fabric weren't commonplace until the mid-20th century. The three-point seatbelt, the design we're most familiar with today, came into the picture in 1959, thanks to Volvo engineer Niels Bohlin. Next up, we saw the advent of airbags, another major milestone in our journey. Introduced in the 1970s, airbags provided an additional layer of protection in the event of a collision. They work in conjunction with seatbelts, cushioning the impact and reducing the risk of serious injury. As we moved into the late 20th century, technology began to play a more significant role in car safety. The anti-lock braking system, or ABS, was a game changer. This technology prevents wheels from locking up during braking, allowing for better control and reducing skidding, particularly on slippery surfaces. Not long after, we saw the introduction of electronic stability control. This smart technology detects and reduces loss of traction, helping to avoid skids and spins. It's like having an extra pair of hands on the wheel, guiding you safely on your journey. These advancements, along with countless others, have all played their part in reducing road accidents over the years. And it's not just about protecting those inside the car. Pedestrian detection systems, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assist are just a few examples of how technology is helping to keep everyone safer on the roads. Indeed, the journey of car safety technology is a testament to human ingenuity and the constant pursuit of safety. And as we look to the future, it's clear that this journey is far from over. Ever noticed the star ratings on cars and wondered what they mean? Well, those stars aren't just decorative. They represent a car's safety rating, a measure of how well the vehicle can protect its occupants in the event of a crash. But how exactly are these ratings determined? Let's dive in and find out. The safety rating of a vehicle is determined through a series of tests conducted by independent organizations. Each car is put through its paces in a variety of crash scenarios, including head-on collisions, side impacts, and rollovers. These tests evaluate the car's structural integrity, the effectiveness of its safety features, and the potential risks to passengers. Now, you might wonder, what's the difference between a 4-star and a 5-star rating? It's all about the details. A 5-star safety rating means that the vehicle has excelled in all tests, offering superior protection to its occupants. A 4-star rating, while still commendable, indicates that there may be areas where the vehicle's safety performance could be improved. Let's take a couple of examples. The Volvo XC90, for instance, is a car that's earned a 5-star safety rating. It's been lauded for its robust safety features, including advanced airbags, electronic stability control, and a body structure designed to absorb impact energy. On the other hand, a vehicle with a lower rating, like a 3-star, might lack some of these crucial safety features or have a structure that doesn't hold up as well in certain crash scenarios. But it's not all about the stars. Many safety rating organizations also provide detailed reports outlining the strengths and weaknesses of each vehicle. These reports can give you a more in-depth understanding of how a car performs under different crash conditions. Knowing the safety rating of your car is more than just bragging rights. It's about knowing how well your vehicle can protect you. So the next time you see those stars, you'll know exactly what they mean and how much they matter. As we look ahead, what does the future hold for car safety technology? The future of car safety is not just about surviving accidents, but it's about preventing them altogether. And with the rapid advancements in technology, this vision is becoming more attainable. One of the most exciting developments in car safety technology is the advent of autonomous or self-driving cars. These vehicles use a combination of sensors, cameras, and artificial intelligence to navigate the roads. They have the potential to revolutionize car safety by eliminating human error, which accounts for a significant proportion of accidents. In addition to autonomous driving, collision avoidance systems are becoming more sophisticated. These systems use radar, lasers, and cameras to detect potential collisions before they happen. They can alert the driver, and in some cases even take control of the car to avoid an accident. This technology is becoming standard in many new cars, and we can expect it to become even more advanced in the future. Artificial intelligence and machine learning play a pivotal role in shaping the future of car safety. These technologies are being used to analyze vast amounts of data from vehicles and road conditions. The insights gained from this analysis can be used to predict and prevent accidents, making our roads safer. But that's not all. The future of car safety also includes advancements in vehicle design. Engineers are continually working on developing materials that are stronger yet lighter, which can absorb more impact during a crash. Furthermore, there's a growing emphasis on pedestrian safety. Innovations like pedestrian detection systems and automatic braking are becoming more common, reducing the risk for those outside the vehicle as well. So, as we look to the future, it's clear that car safety technology is on an upward trajectory. With the integration of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and advanced sensor systems, we're moving towards a future where car accidents could become a thing of the past. The future of car safety is not just about surviving accidents, but preventing them altogether. As we've seen, car safety is a dynamic field, constantly evolving with technology. We've journeyed through the importance of car safety, understanding that it's not just about the vehicle, but also about protecting lives. We've traced the evolution of car safety technology, marveling at how far we've come from seatbelts to advanced driver assistance systems. We've decoded safety ratings, realizing that they're not just stars on a page, but critical indicators of a vehicle's safety capabilities. And we've glimpsed into the future of car safety, recognizing that, with emerging technology, the road ahead looks promising. But let's not forget, staying updated on safety ratings is essential. These ratings can change with each new model year, and being informed can make all the difference when choosing your next vehicle. Car safety is not just about technology, it's about making informed decisions, being a responsible driver, and valuing every life on the road. Stay safe on the road, and remember, the best car safety feature is a well-informed driver. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Bytes for more insightful content like this.